What if I told you that artificial intelligence is already working for you or replacing you? In 2026, AI is no longer the future, it is the present. Welcome to NUUR Tech, where we explore the technology shaping tomorrow. Artificial intelligence tools like ChatGPT from OpenAI, innovations from Google DeepMind, and smart systems developed by Tesla are transforming the world. AI is changing education, business, medicine, programming, and content creation. Today, AI can write full websites, create videos, diagnose diseases, drive cars, and even generate human-like voices. And this is only the beginning. Let's talk about 5 technologies exploding in 2026. First, generative AI. AI can now create images, videos, music, and even full movies in minutes. Second, AI agents. These are smart systems that can complete tasks automatically, like booking flights, managing emails, and even running online businesses. Third, quantum computing. Companies like IBM are building powerful machines that can solve problems normal computers cannot handle. Fourth, smart robotics. Humanoid robots are now working in factories, hospitals, and warehouses. Fifth, AI-powered cybersecurity. Artificial intelligence is now fighting hackers using advanced machine learning defense systems. The world is changing faster than ever, but the big question is AI replacing jobs? The answer is yes and no. Some repetitive jobs are disappearing, but at the same time, new jobs are being created. AI prompt engineers, automation specialists, AI content creators, data analysts, robotics technicians. The real question is not, will AI take your job? The real question is, will you learn AI before someone else does? If you are a student, entrepreneur, or content creator, you must start now. Learn basic programming, study AI tools, practice automation, build digital skills. Platforms like YouTube and Coursera offer free learning resources to help you get started. The earlier you start, the bigger your advantage. Technology does not wait. AI is not coming. It is already here. This is NUUR Tech, empowering you with the knowledge of tomorrow. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because the future belongs to the prepared.